So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through completing the square method. So here the quadratic equation is given: root 2x square minus 3x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So first we'll write the quadratic equation. Sorry, let's use this ink. Root 2x square minus 3x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So here this root 2x square, we have to convert it into a perfect square form. So that we have to convert it into a number, this coefficient, so that we can convert it into a perfect square. So what we'll do, we'll multiply. What is the suitable number? I think we can multiply 2 root 2 to convert it into 4. Multiplying 2 root 2 on both sides, we get this 2 root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into 2, 4x square. 2 root 2 into 3x, that is equal to 2 into 3, 6 root 2x minus 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, that is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So this much is equal to 0. Now what we'll do, now we'll take this minus 8 and take it to the right hand side. That implies 4x square minus 6 root 2x is equal to 8. Now we'll convert this 4x square minus 6 root 2x in a minus b whole square format. So it will be 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. This we have to represent in 2ab format. So minus 2 into 2x into, it will be what we can multiply here. I think we can multiply 3 root 2 by 2. 3 root 2 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 3 root 2 into 2x, that is equal to 6 root 2x. So here this is a square, this is 2a into b. Now we have to add plus b square. So plus 3 root 2 by 2 whole square on both sides to balance the equation. So 8 3 root 2 by 2 whole square. So this is b square. So this is together a minus b whole square. So that implies 2x minus 3 root 2 by 2 whole square is equal to 8 plus, this is how much, 3 square is 9, root 2 square is equal to 2. So 9 into 2, 18 by 4, which is equal to 8 plus 9 by 2. Okay, it is 8 plus 9 by 2, which is equal to how much? 25 by 2. Because 2 into 2 is 16 plus 9 is equal to, let me write it in a proper way so that you understand. This is equal to how much? Taking LCM 2, it is 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 by 2. Okay. that implies 2x minus 3 root 2 by 2 whole square is equal to 25 by 2. That implies 2x minus 3 root 2 by 2 is equal to how much? Taking square root, it is plus minus 5 by root 2. Now this we can write it as 3 by root 2. That implies 3 root 2 by 2 we can write it as 2x minus 3 by root 2. That is equal to plus minus 5 by root 2. Okay. So that implies, right, I am writing it here, 2x is equal to 3 by root 2 plus minus 5 by root 2. So that implies 2x is either equal to 3 by root 2 minus 5 by root 2 or 2x is equal to 3 by root 2 plus 5 by root 2. Okay, this. Now for the first case, that implies 2x is equal to 3 minus 5 by root 2 or that implies 2x is equal to minus 2 by root 2. That implies x is equal to minus 1 by root 2. And for this case, that implies 2x is equal to 8 by root 2. That implies x is equal to 8 by 2 root 2, which is equal to how much? This will be equal to 4. 4 we can write it as 2 into 2, so it will be 2 root 2. 2 root 2, because 4 we can write it as 2 into 2. Root 2 here will be cancelled root 2, so it will be 2 root 2. Yes, 2 root 2. So these are the two possible values of x for the above quadratic equation. X is equal to minus 1 by root 2 or x is equal to 2 root 2. These are the two solutions, the two roots of the quadratic equation. This. Okay, so this is the thing.